Mike McGilvery with Mike McGilvery Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts. This homeowner called because they bought this property. The 4-point inspection and the home inspection report stated that the roof was at the end of its life expectancy. The new homeowners were not able to obtain insurance. They gave us a call. We came out. We inspected the entire roof. What we found is that the roof was not failing as a whole. What we found is that the roof was failing in the high water flow areas. Knowing that, we were able to rebuild all the high water flow areas and bring the roof to a structurally sound state where we can provide a 5-year roof certification where they can obtain and maintain their insurance moving forward. After the project's done, we're going to provide them with free annual inspections. Those annual inspections will help them prevent larger, more costly issues by keeping a close eye on this roof moving forward. What we found on this aged tile roof is the high water flow areas were worn. The general sections of roof still had plenty life. We verified that by removing a tile in the general sections of roof. What we found is that the paper in the general sections of roof still had plenty life left. The worn areas were the high water flow areas. Our team is currently rebuilding all the high water flow areas on this roof, bringing this roof as a whole to a structurally sound state.